Alright, today's finally the day I'm gonna beat Raining Blood on Expert. Oh yeah, I'm so awesome.
Yeah, go. Yeah. It's okay. Calm down.
Why don't you calm down?
You can do it. You can do it. You got this.
Yeah!
Yeah! This is awesome.
Oh god, oh god, no. Okay, I
You got star power. You got star power.
Oh, you're cool. We're gonna beat this.
Yeah.
You gotta do the triple notes. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Holy crap, holy crap. Oh!
God damn it! No! I don't want anything to do with this goddamn song! Fuck this!
And we now return to our radio broadcast of the best music in all Salt Lake City, Utah.
That's right.
Alright, now for our #1 song on the radio station. Hit it!
Gosh, maybe now that I'm at school I can just get my mind off that stupid song.
Attention all students, attention all students. We have an important announcement.
Sup, Slayer? Hey, I heard this song today. I heard this song.
Yeah?
It's one of the most badass songs ever. You wanna hear it?
Yeah.
You wanna hear it?
Yeah.
You getting pumped?
Yeah.
Alright, listen.
Alright.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Terrible!
Oh, well, maybe a little TV would help.
Hello and welcome to MTV.
That's right!
We are now returning to our top 10 rock songs of all time.
That's right!
We now return to the #1 song of all time.
That's right!
Alright, now here's Raining Blood by Slayer.
That's right!